This is a closer look at the PARRIOR 20-volt cordless circular saw. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. This is a really nice saw. It's made very well. PARRIOR made some really great tools, and this is just a wireless saw. It's got the detachable battery right here. It's got a quick charge battery here. This is the battery charger that comes with it, just standard battery charger. You can see it's got the lights on here, show you if it's charging and once it's full. And then on the battery right here, you could just see we got 2 bars right here, so we don't have a full charge. The third one will light up when you have a full charge here. This is the instruction manual here. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about it, but it just works like a regular saw. Like you'd see, just goes into place here. This is a 6.5-inch blade here. Goes up to 3,500 RPMs. It's got adjustable cutting depth, 45 to 90, and it just got all like the safeties and everything on here. It's just very well made, very well put together. Just start it up right here, so you'd see just do the safety right here. And it just turns on just like that. But overall, very nice product here. Again, PARRIOR makes some really great tools. This circular saw is really great.